Hey guys, Albert here with the hotel team. So this is regarding the archive funnel issue. Um, so I know the issue is basically surrounding um, emojis in the SEO metadata area in the settings, I believe. Um, that's what I was just told by my team lead. And I also had that mentioned to me from one of the CX guys, I believe. Um, so this is the deal. So we had this user, this account was said to be resolved. We know that is false. But this is the thing, is that all of his funnels are marked trash and he's deleted all of the pages. Every single page. I mean, obviously he hasn't gone through and deleted these. Maybe that's part of the issue. I don't know. Um, but the issue here is still not resolved. This user is still not able to archive any of these funnels. Okay. And he has a good number of them. He's trying to go through and archiving them. At this point, he's pretty upset. I know you guys are busy. You're doing your job. So I just needed to pass this on and resubmit this ticket because he's pretty angry that he was told that it was resolved and then come to find out that it's not the case. Okay. So, all right. Thanks, guys.